Good morning, Empresa Nights. This year, thanks to EPAF, students had the amazing opportunity to create ceramic clay projects in art class with Miss Dunn and Miss Schwartz.
Each grade level made a special project connected to what they're learning in class and based on their grade level standards.
Students learned the full ceramic process, first molding the clay into shapes, then painting their projects, and finally glazing them to create finished ceramic pieces.
Our TK students made Christmas trees, kindergarten created beautiful butterflies, and second grade designed awesome dinosaur fossils.
Third graders made adorable pigs, fourth graders created snowmen, and fifth graders created designed bird baths and bird feeders.
A huge thank you to EPAF for helping bring these creative experiences to our students.
Great job, Empresa Nights! We can't wait to see what you create next.
Hello, Empresa Nights. This is your last call for 2025 to 2026 yearbooks. We have a limited supply of yearbooks available, so make sure to order yours before they sell out. Miss Bina and our amazing 4th and 5th grade student yearbook committee members created this year's yearbook. The yearbook is filled with fun memories, class photos, special moments, and memories frozen in time you'll never want to forget. If you have not ordered your yearbook yet, now is the time. Check out the QR code on the flyer or ask your teacher for more information on how to order. Don't miss out, Empresa Nights. Get your yearbook before they're gone.
Good morning, Empresa Nights. Calling all 3rd and 4th graders who love art and creativity. The Ignite the Possibilities 2026 Visual Arts Camp is happening this summer for students entering 4th and 5th grade next school year, and it's completely free. Students will explore fun art activities like watercolor, chalk pastels, collage, mixed media, and more during 1 week of camp session. Camp sessions will be held in June at Honanelli Elementary, Grapevine Elementary, and the Leadership Academy. Only 24 students will be selected for each session, so make sure to apply soon. Applications are due May 22nd, 2026. Check with your teacher or school for the application link and more information. Calling all artists. Ignite your creativity this summer at Visual Arts Camp 2026.
Hey there, Empresa Nights. Just a reminder that Monday, May 25th is Memorial Day.
Memorial Day is a time to honor and remember the brave U.S. military who worked and sacrificed for our country.
And yes, there is no school on Monday, so enjoy the day with your family and take time to honor our heroes.
If you know someone that is in the military, be sure to thank them and honor them this Memorial Day.
Bye, Nights. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a great, wonderful week.
Hi, Empresa. We have a number of 5th graders that are promoting and moving on to 6th grade.
That means we have some jokes to celebrate our last moments for 5th graders and their last couple episodes of Empresa Nightly News.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Noah.
Noah who?
Noah, no more school.
Why did the student throw their watch out the window?
They wanted to see time fly. Where did the pencil go on vacation?
Pennsylvania.
Thanks for watching this episode of Empresa Nightly News. Bye, Nights.
Hi, I'm Noelle, and this is Zoe. Zoe, what's your favorite Disney movie?
My favorite Disney movie is The Aristocats because it's funny, unique, and it has a lot of action in it.
That's pretty cool.
I'm here with Miss Rivera. Miss Rivera, what's your favorite Disney movie?
Well, I have two favorite Disney movies. My first one is Princess and the Frog. I love that movie because the music is outstanding. And then I also love Coco because the main character is Miguel and his last name is Rivera. So it's basically a video about the Rivera family, although we don't make shoes at our house.
That's cool.
Empresa. I'm here with Zoe. Zoe, what's your favorite Disney movie?
Monsters Inc.
What's your favorite character?
Mike Wazowski.
Nice. Bye, night.
Alyssa, what's your favorite Disney movie?
I feel like my favorite Disney movie might be Moana because all of the action in the multiple movies.
Nice. I like that movie.
Hello, Knights. I'm with Miss Emma. Hey, Miss Emma.
Hi.
What's your favorite Disney movie?
My favorite Disney movie is Cars.
Why do you like it?
I love Cars because the soundtrack is really good, and I also had an amazing mom growing up who used to play the songs for me.
Who was your mom?
Her name is Miss Rivera. She's a TK teacher. And she showed me all of the great songs from Cars.
That's amazing. I like that movie too.
It's a great movie.
Yeah.
Thank you.